It is the last leg of the Voter Adhikar rally in Bihar, where Tejasvi Yadav and Rahul Gandhi are currently in that rally right now. In fact, Tejasvi Yadav, while speaking on the stage, he declared himself as the Chief Minister in front of Rahul Gandhi at this public meeting at Bhojpur. And Rahul Gandhi, in the meanwhile, has remained silent on that comment.
ये नकलची सरकार है कि नहीं? नकल कर रही है कि नहीं? मेरा कर रही है ना? तेजस्वी आगे आगे है ना? और ये सरकार पीछे पीछे है ना? तो बताओ, ओरिजिनल सीएम चाहिए कि डुप्लीकेट सीएम चाहिए? सुनाई नहीं दे रहा। ओरिजिनल फिर से बोलो, फिर से बोलो, फिर से बोलो। तब ज्यादा कुछ नहीं कहेंगे, एक बार जोर से नारा लगाना है। हम बोलेंगे वोट चोर, वोट चोर।
It's a very interesting political development today. Tejasvi Yadav, while he was speaking from the dais at Bhojpur in Bihar in the Vote Bachao Adhikar Yatra, which is going on in Bihar for last 14 days. Remember, Tejasvi Yadav and Rahul Gandhi, they are carrying out this yatra, and they were in Bhojpur today. So while speaking from the dais, Tejasvi Yadav today announced and declared himself to be the next Chief Minister of Bihar. And he said that you have a Chief Minister who is a dummy Chief Minister, and if you elect me as the Chief Minister, I'll be an active one. So in front of Rahul Gandhi, while Rahul Gandhi was sitting on the dais, Tejasvi Yadav actually declared himself to be the next Chief Minister. Remember, there was always a speculation and the political gossip regarding who would be the Chief Minister face in the India alliance, if at all it is voted to power in Bihar. And Congress was non-committal about it. Whenever the Congress leaders were asked about who would be the Chief Minister face, including Rahul Gandhi himself, they did not, they skipped this, they ducked this question, they escaped answering this question. And today, Tejasvi Yadav, in front of Rahul Gandhi, declared himself to be the Chief Minister of Bihar, if at all the India alliance is voted to power. So very interesting politically speaking. And remember, RJD always wanted, RJD had never held back his claim of Tejasvi Yadav being the Chief Minister face, and RJD wanted that Tejasvi Yadav should be declared as the Chief Minister face of Bihar before the India alliance goes to poll in Bihar. But the main alliance partner here, the Congress, was non-committal about it, and Congress always skipped answering this question, and they said that it would be decided by the MLAs once the India alliance is voted to power in Bihar. But today, actually, Tejasvi Yadav made this very interesting statement, and right in front of Rahul Gandhi, and Rahul Gandhi kept mum about it. Rahul Gandhi just kept on listening to what Tejasvi Yadav was saying. So it would certainly snowball into a big political controversy when the opposition parties actually would start reacting to Tejasvi's self-claim of being the next Chief Minister of Bihar.